Jen Evers with Quality Crafts, and welcome to another 1 in 10 by Jen from Mailbox to Masterpiece. What in the world does that mean? It just means that my subscribers like to send me in scraps, things that they have laying around that they don't know what to do with. They want to challenge me or whatever. I've got 10 minutes to make a card, and today my scraps are coming from Melissa Chesser. So thank you so much, Melissa, for sending in your scraps. And this is week number 155. So let's see what she has in here for me to work with today. And she's got a little greeting here, so I'm going to read that. And we can already see some really cool stuff here. Let me see what she has to say. Oh, awesome. Thank you so much, Melissa. This is her first time sending in scraps, so I'm going to go ahead and just set that timer. We've got some really cool trim, some fun little bright pieces to use. We've got Dare to Dream. I love it when you guys give me sentiments because it's not my best thing. And all kinds of cool paper. Check this out. I have a lot to choose from. This is going to be super fun. All right. I love this little paper. This is so cute with the little birds on it. I'm going to do a little bit of cutting of this. There we go. Perfect. All right. There's so much fun stuff here to use. I'm going to go ahead and cut this card completely. Now, I don't normally do this, but I am going to go ahead and create a stand-up card for her. Just because that is what came to my mind when I saw this. So it's going to be a stand-up card. This piece is going to go here. So I'm probably going to need another piece of paper just to make sure that it stands up. Yes, awesome. Cut a little bit more off here. Isn't that pretty? Yes, that's going to go on here and on there, and then we'll work our way out from that. So we only want glue on this half. And we're going to put this pink piece on here. That went on a bit crooked. I'm just going to go ahead and cut this little piece of white off right here. There we go. So it's going to stand up like that. We're going to go ahead and put this cute paper on there as well. Try to get the corners because those are the parts that tend to want to come off. There we go. And then my stopper piece down here, actually, you know what, we could put some of this down for grass. That would be super cute. We'll put a couple of these in here. Oh my goodness, there's some really cute stuff in here. I'm not going to be able to use all of it. I think I'm going to use this one as the stopper. I'm going to use this one as the grass. I just need to cut this down. Okay, so that's going to be kind of like the grass. This is going to look really cute. I'm going to put that one down too. I'm going to try to get some grass cut out of this as well. don't know if it's going to be enough. Oh, maybe. All right. This is going to be the grass layer. That's going to set up. And this Dare to Dream, I'm literally going to put on right over the top of this. So that looks really cool. And then I could probably put this around it. I'm going to have to work fast, so I am running out of time. So I'm just going to put a little bit of glue on the edge, because we don't want to see the glue. Oh, there we go. I don't think you can see it very well, so if I run out of time to do the edging, then I just run out of time. But I am going to put this down for the glue. I mean, glue this down for the grass. That's going to be way on the edge. And so some of it sticks up. And then I want this flower down here. This is going to be like our little stopper. So I'm going to put something on the top of that that will, I don't know if this paper or not, so just in case, I'm going to go ahead and put a pop dot on there to make sure it stays in place. That's going to be our stopper. Oh, I don't even need that. You just need to pull those up. That way it's a flat stopper and it'll pull up like that. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is cut this to go over the edge of this. And I think I'm actually going to glue dot this one down as well. Because then maybe it just if I'm lucky, it won't move around. got just these little tiny pieces. I'm going to toss those out. These will probably end up saving. Ooh. I've got just a couple seconds left here. All right, cool. That took me a long time to do that trim, so I'm glad I started out with that. So basically, it looks like this when it stands up. So Melissa, you'll just have to know that this is, so that it ships nicely, this is flat. This is also flat. You need to tuck this underneath the flower petal. So just lift up the flower petal and let that fall, and that little flower will hold it up. And it says Dare to Dream. Super cute little easel card. I love that. Adorable. All these little pieces I could have used for if I went a whole different way with this card, but I always go with whatever comes to mind first, and then I just plan it out in my little headspace and then create it and make it happen. So I'm gonna do just a little bit of cleanup here. That was a super fun one. They're all super fun, but I think I say that after every single one. These little scrappy doos I'm going to keep because we crop in the new year. So mark your date, usually 8 p.m. to midnight, crop in the new year. And the reason why I mention that every time I do one of these is because all these cute little scraps go into a box, and that's what I use to scrap when we do that Zoom. I think it'll be a Zoom this year. So what'll happen next is that I will put my information on the back, and I will send this back to Melissa. So Melissa, this card will be yours to keep or give out, whatever you want to do with it. I want to thank you again for joining in. If you guys want to be a part of this and send in some scraps, join us at Quality Crafts on Facebook in the group. It won't be on my Facebook page, so make sure that you're in Quality Crafts group, the community group, and we will get you hooked up. Just mention to somebody that you want to get in on the 1 in 10 by Jen, and we'll get that information to you. My group is commitment free, it's drama free, it's a fun place to hang out, be creative, get inspired, and just all around super fun, friendly people. We have Zooms every week, and I neglect to say this sometimes. Every Tuesday, every Thursday, every other Saturday when we don't have a sale. So on sale Saturdays, we have a sale from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Central Standard Time. We would love for you to join us for that. They're usually brand new, sometimes used garage sale type stuff where you can get things a little bit cheaper than you normally would. We also have a budget shop, which is on Facebook, showing you things that we're starting to order. So if you want to get in on a pre-order, there are things that you want that you see that we're ordering, you can jump in on that as well. We would love to see you in all the places that is Quality Crafts. Remember, there's no commitment, there's drama, no drama, and it's just a super fun place to hang out, and I cannot wait to see you, and I cannot wait to see you guys next video.